Connecting your GoDaddy domain to System.io is a simple process. Follow these steps. Log into your System.io account. Visit System.io and log in with your credentials. Access the domain section. From your dashboard, click on your profile in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Domains under the General section. Add new domain in System.io. Click Add Domain. Enter your desired domain name. System.io will provide DNS records that you need to add to your GoDaddy domain settings for verification. Log into your GoDaddy account. Go to GoDaddy and log into your account. From the dashboard, go to My Products and find the domain you want to connect. Update DNS settings. Click on DNS next to your domain. In the Records section, add the DNS records provided by System.io. Usually, this includes adding an A record and a CNAME record pointing to System.io servers. Verify domain in System.io. After adding the DNS records, return to System.io and click Verify to confirm your domain connection. Set as primary domain. Once verified, set this domain as your primary domain for your funnels or website.